Landbot tutorial for beginners. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be walking you through a complete beginner's tutorial on Landbot, the no-coding chatbot builder that lets you to create conversational experience for your website, WhatsApp, or more. Whether you're looking to boost your lead generation or customer support or automate responses, Landbot makes it super simple, even if you have no experience in coding. So make sure to watch this video till the end because we are going to cover everything from sign up to navigating the dashboard and getting familiar with every feature you need to start building bots like a pro. Now, if you're not familiar with the Landbot, so basically Landbot is no-code chatbot builder that helps you to create interactive conversational flows. It works across web pages, WhatsApp, and Messenger. The key idea is to, instead of giving your user statistic, forum, or menus, you can create a chatbot that interacts like a real conversational, guiding users, collecting info, and qualifying leads or providing answer, all in one friendly, engaging way. What makes Landbot different is how visual and intuitive it is. You literally drag and drop blocks to build your chatbot, make it easy to understand for beginners. Now, let's get started with Landbot. So, what you need to do is just simply come to your browser and search for Landbot. And then, after come on to this website, what you have to do is just simply click on this try Landbot for free. Just simply click on it to create your new account. Now here you have to enter your email address and password. Now I will sign up with the Google. Now after creating a new account, it will ask you some question. Uh, just simply give your answer. Once you are signed up and after giving all of the answers, you will be taken to directly to your Landbot dashboard. This is your main Landbot dashboard. Let's break it down section by section. What is these section are? Now in the top right corner, there is an option of build a chatbot. From here, you can this is your main action button to start building a bot. You can click this will where you can click this and it will take you to drag and drop bot builder where you can choose from template or start from scratch. I will explain a little bit later. Now let's understand this section in the left side. Now in the left side there are some options like workspace. Workspace is basically organized bots by project or clients. You can create new workspace for each brand or campaign if you want to create that. For example, if you are building bots for three different clients, you can create three different workspaces to keep them separately. So you will not get confused. Now let's move to in the left side. This is a bot builder. This is a bot builder. Here you can see there is a file of example bot which I have created earlier. From here in the top right corner, you can go to build a chatbot. Now in the second option, we have AI agent. You can generate an AI agent with the help of this. Now, if you go to invite tab, this is your inbox option. From here, you can manage all your chats like assigned to you or unassigned. From here, you can see channel agents. So yeah, you can see from here your messages. If you go to WhatsApp, you can integrate WhatsApp on Landboard from here, or you can create a WhatsApp campaign from here. Let's go to channel. This is channel. It means you can integrate third-party channels or your very own and deliver awesome conversational experience anywhere. To create channel, just simply click on a create a new channel, and then you have to give your API. Then metrics, so this is a metrics. From here, you can see overview channels and agent reports. Now, if you go to integration, from here you can integrate third-party applications like HubSpot, API Chatbot, Airtable, and Calendly. Now, if you go to bottom, there is a option of plan and subscription. You can compromise or compare each plan with other. As I said, starter, pro, WhatsApp pro, and business, you can compare each plan with each other. Now, yeah, this is a basic dashboard of Land Aid Task Aid. Now let's create a simple chatbot in Landbot for demonstration. It's perfect for beginners. This bot will collect a username and email, then thank them, and it is a typically lead generation bot and great way to learn basic about Landbot. So let's get started. Now go to your bot builder and click on this build a chatbot. Now you have to choose web from here. You can choose WhatsApp, Messenger, and all of these application. Just simply I will do for web. Now I will start from scratch. You can build it for with the help of AI as well. You can start from scratch and you can use template as well. I will go one by one. First I will start from scratch so you get the idea of what is Landbot, how the editor of Landbot works. So let's get started with the start from scratch. Now first you have to do is just simply give your bot name. Just name maker1. This is just simple bot. Now, now first, this is a starting point where your bot begins is just simply drag this uh, line to this table. Just simply drag it and then it will ask build it for me like buttons, ask question. In my case, I will choose a user input as a trigger. Now, what I will do, I will just simply now add a question into question text and then give a save username in the field and then click on the apply. Now what we am going to do is choose a user input text question. Then now again drag this icon over here and integrate one more thing is message email, ask for an email, and here you can search or create an email or add what's your email. Now just simply click on the apply and then you can see. Then after that, you have to drag a message box. Just simply click on this plus icon, click on the messages and drag this send a message. And then just simply connect this block with this and then click on the edit, which is awesome. I will add awesome. Now just simply test this bot. As you can see, our chatbot is working. Just simply click on, hi there, I'm here to help you to get started. Can you get your name? Make out, click on the send. And then again, it will ask what's your email, dash, dash, dash. Please introduce a valid email. So I will do my email. I will add my email address over here. As you can see, we have successfully accessed the name and the email address of the specific user. Awesome. This is a basic one, and after building all the logic, after building all the things, you can just simply publish it into your website. Now, I will not go into that. Let's build a new chatbot with the help of AI. Click on the build a chatbot and click on the web and build it for me. Now you have to explain what kind of bot you want to create. Now I will choose this e-commerce assistant. They have already pre-made prompts, so it will not so I don't need to add prompt again over here. Just simply click on the generate. Now wait for a few seconds to create a chatbot. As you can see here, the AI has been successfully created our chatbot. This is a chatbot as you can see here. Now, if you want to customize it, you can customize based on your needs. Let's just test this bot. Now, let's see how it works. Start the conversation. Uh, Get started. Welcome shop.com. How can I assist you? Then could you please provide your name, maker, and then it will ask again about email address. Then I will paste my email address and then he will ask what information are you seeking about. Then it's all about ordered status. To check your order status, please visit your account www.shop.com and navigate order history. So it is basic assistant bot. So he has created like now if you want to add more logic, more integration into it, you can do that. Now, I will not go into the complex part. You can learn by yourself. Now, let's build some chatbots or access some templates. Let's go to use templates. Now we have some lead generation templates, survey templates, and customer support templates. Let's use the survey templates, and then we will see how we can customize these templates. As you can see here, this chatbot is good, I think. Now, if you want to customize based on your needs, you can ask for the name instead of, if you want to ask their number or product ID, you can change it from here. Or this is a text uh, box where you can add anything over here. So let's just test this bot. Click on the test this bot and let's see how it works. Now, before we start, what's your name? My name is Maker. And then it will ask you about your email address. Then it will ask you about the ratings based on your recent interaction. How satisfied or dissatisfied were you with our services and the team member? This is the, you can send feedback as well. So this is a basic logic to create a chatbot. Now, if you want to go into more deep way, just let me know into comment section. I will make more deep dive video on Landbot. So that's it for today's tutorial. Uh, if you found this tutorial helpful, then subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comment box if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.